OMG, the fragrance is so luxe and it stays on my hair until next wash. I really love Beauty and Planet stuffs. First, because the smell is amazing. The smell is always amazing, and second, they perform really phenomenal. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. If you are new here, I make videos related to makeup, beauty, skincare, hair care, recipes, and travel and daily vlogs. So if you are interested in any one of them, please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to review Love Beauty and Planet olive oil and peptide bond repair mask, which claims to reverse damage in just one wash and penetrates deep into hair fiber to build new bonds, helps damage protection up to 10 washes. This hair mask is specially designed for damaged hair, and it also claims to protect hair against UV exposure, color damage, heat, and pollution, and it is enriched with glucose based technology. The hair mask comes in this tub kind of packaging. They use recycled plastic. The price of this 200 ml tub is 550 rupees. This is not a travel friendly jar, I would say. The packaging is sturdy, it doesn't leak, but I always scoop some in other container if I have to travel for 1 or 2 weeks. This is totally up to you, but I am telling you what I do during my short trip. Now we'll talk about key ingredients of Love Beauty and Planet olive oil and peptide bond repair hair masks. First of all, let me tell you, this is sulfate free, cruelty free, no paraben, no dye, and vegan formula. The first thing I'll talk about, it has glucose based technology, which is scientifically proven to penetrate hair fiber and build millions of new bonds. Another beautiful ingredient is olive oil, and it goes without saying like how nutritious olive oil is for our overall health. Olive oil is rich in nutrients like protein, lipids, and vitamins A, E, and C, and it is also known to strengthen and nourish our hair. The key ingredient is peptide complex, which is derived from pea peptides and hydrolyzed wheat protein. This complex contains 22 amino acids that rebuild damaged hair bonds, promoting strength and elasticity. It has dimethicone, which helps in forming protective barrier and make hair silky and smooth. It also contains coconut oil, which is very good if you have dry, rough hair. The last key ingredient I'll talk about is lactic acid, which has hydrating properties. Texture is really lightweight and creamy, and it has really rich texture which feels luxurious. It spreads very easily through damp hair, providing good slip for detangling. Fragrance of every Love Beauty and Planet is product is always absolutely amazing, and fragrance of this olive oil hair mask is truly fresh and stays on my hair until next wash. By the way, let me tell you, I wash my hair on alternate days, and the fragrance stays even after like blow dry. Anyway, the fragrance is really fresh and beautiful, and I feel like washing my hair literally every day. Now let me first tell you about my hair type so that you will understand. I have very oily scalp and dry color treated hair, and I blow dry my hair every time I wash my hair. Like every alternate days I blow dry my hair, so it's very rare that I don't blow dry. I literally love perfectly styled hair every time. So this is all about my hair type. Now I'll tell you about my experience with this olive oil mask. So first of all, I'll tell you how I use this. So basically, I am a hair mask person, and I use this hair mask every time I wash my hair. Like this is my current favorite, and I don't use conditioner until unless it's really amazing. Like I like my Plix one, that is really amazing. I prefer hair mask. I use it on my damp hair, and I don't use it on my scalp, and try to keep it maximum like 15 to 20 minutes, लेकिन फिर भी अगर टाइम कम होता है तो 5 minutes तो I keep this. So after I wash my hair, after that I wash my hair and with plain water, and that's it. This hair mask detangles my hair like I am applying butter on my hair. It nourishes my hair, and I can literally feel repaired hair stands after just one use. I could really feel nourished, healthy, shiny hair after just one use. It makes my hair very smooth and frizzy. It doesn't weigh my hair down and makes my hair supremely soft. I keep on moving my fingers through my hair after using this. Ends are not dry at all, and this is perfect hair mask for my color treated dry damaged hair. My hair is dry but not crazy dry or damaged because I take really good care of my hair, and this hair mask made my work easier. All hair types can use this, and it's suitable for you if you have color or chemical treated damaged hair. So my final verdict is it is highly recommended for those who has hair concerns like mine. This is a bond repair hair mask, so normal people can avoid this. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button.